guys, welcome. Quick disclaimer before we go any further into this video. I was in the process of editing this very same video you're going to be watching now, and then I realized that not all the parts in the video is recorded. Alright, so what I had to do, I had to come back here now, and now I'm going to try to show you exactly what was in the video, if I'm making any sense. However, because of how the video was done, I actually went ahead and did some stuff to what I'm going to be showing you, right? So just bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and let you jump into the video, and wherever it stopped, then I'll just continue from there. Alright guys, I'm so sorry about that, but you know, when obstacles come your way, all you have to do, just squeeze those lemon and make some lemonade. Alright, and that is what I'm going to do for all year round in 2022 and beyond, because nothing is gonna stop me from putting out these contents for you guys. So let's go into the video. Hey everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you're here on the channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button right below there, and also while you're at it, make sure you turn on the notification bell. So once I do upload any videos, you're one of the first persons to be notified about that. Also, make sure you go ahead and hit on that like button, because we do have a lot of videos here on this channel. And also, since you're this far in the video, go ahead and hit on the like button. And you're already here, so why not, right? And it's free, so go ahead. It is free. Anyhow, guys, in today's video, I am going to be opening this box here with you. Alright? So, I think it is something which I ordered from Amazon not too long ago. I'm not going to go into the long thing with this video. I just want to get right to it, because I don't want for this video to be too very long. Alright? So, I want to make sure it is what it is first. Guys, yes, it is what I am expecting. Alright, now I can talk about it. Alright, so you would realize that I'm now on a savings journey. Alright, and what I must let you know is that I'm taking this very serious, and as such, I went out and I got my own book. Alright, so this is my budgeting book. Wow. This is my budgeting book here, and it also comes with a pen. Alright, so inside, oh, I love it already. I love it already. Alright, so with this budgeting book here, right, this is how it is, and it comes with this here, with the clip things here, and it feels very thick and nice, guys. Also, alright, so I got some stickers, so I don't know what these stickers are for as yet, but I got two different ones of these stickers. Alright, and then I got some budgeting sheets. Let me see. Yeah, so it's budgeting sheets, and they are very thick, I must say. They are very thick. So these should have been 12, but it looks like it's more than 12, or probably because of how it's thick. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like it's 12. I love this. Alright, so on the budgeting sheet, it has the date, the description, the amount, whether negative or positive, and then it also has the balance there. So I love this about it. The camera is not focusing, guys, for you to see. I'm so sorry you're not able to see that. So it's on the front and the back. So I guess then I can use these for the different months. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that inside here. Alright guys, first things first. This is the book which I was showing you earlier on. Alright, here we go. So this is the book. However, it's my cash binder. Alright, my budget binder. However, I went ahead and I put in the stuff in it. Now this is the pen which comes with it. It's a gel pen, alright, and it's gold. Yeah, your girl is full of style. Now this is the binder, and this is what it looks like. So it has the class thing here, and then I went in and I put in the budget thing here at the front. So I'm going to go ahead and just start with my budget there. And then I also started to put in, oh, it's upside down, wow, Ali. So I went in and I started to put in the stuff here. So I put this part here for like my rent, so I'm able to put my funds in here for the rent, and then I can take time and save until I reach my accumulated amount. Then I can do another budgeting thing here. Then I have this here for my groceries, another budget thing here. You don't have to do your book like this, guys. You can do it however you want to do it. But if you had seen in my previous video when I was stuffing one of the envelopes, you would have seen in the box where I had some loose funds there. So that was what I used it for. I used it to put it into my folder here, my binder. Alright, so here it says bills. So I already put this in here, so I start saving towards my bills. So that's like your light bill, your telephone bill, whatever bills it is. Another thing, then I have transportation, because I need to get where I'm going. I'm going to be saving towards a car that is not yet here. Then I have another one of these. Then I have health here, so I put something in the health. Then budget, I have dining out, your girl love her belly. Then I have birthday. Yeah, those of you who saw my birthday and birthday pics, I go hard on that. And then I have maintenance. The wigs have to come out. And then I have shopping. This is just how I did mine. I have gifts. I love to give gifts to people. So I have that there, and then I have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous can be whatever you want it to be. And then I have personal here. And then around the back here, I put the two things which I got for the coins. I put these around here. So this is my cash binder, alright? So you did not see this part in the video when I was actually doing it, alright? So that's why I had to do it here now, alright? So guys, this is my binder. If you love it, you want to get it, I got it on Amazon, as you would have seen when I unpacked it there. Now the other thing which I got from Amazon, guys, so I put in the battery. So there we go. Alright. So now the jar is empty. I'm going to give it a test run now. Alright, so I have both jars here. I should let you see what I'm doing, Well, let me let you see what I'm doing, guys. So guys, we are here now in the operating room, because this is really an operating room. Alright? And it says to insert the coins one at a time. So it worked, guys. So let me show you. That was a 10 cent. And look, it says 10 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert these coins. Guys, it's going to take me a while to insert these coins. So I think I'm going to fast forward the video. I'm going to fast forward the video, guys, so that you can all see. I've put in 40 cents in it already. You see it? 40 cents. So I've already inserted 40 cents in it. But it's going to take me a little while. So I'm going to fast forward the video for you so you're able to see. Guys, this is a miracle. This thing is so good. It tells you the type of coin that you're putting in it. Like now I just put a penny in it. It showed me that it was a penny. I just put in a dime. It told me that it's a dime. Put in a 5 cent. It told me it's a 5 cent. And this is the last one, guys. So everything which was in this bottle here, it came up to $7.34. So that is what I have there, $7.34. Alright, this is a game changer for me. So all my coins, they are going to go in here. So when it's full, that is when I'm going to be finished with it. So if it's going to take me the year to fill it up, so be it. But this is going to be my coins, and no coin is going to be safe with me now. So so that was what I got in my little Amazon package here, my digital money jar. Alright guys, so that is basically it for this video. So you saw my cash binder, which is right here where I'm going to be doing my savings, and also you would have seen my coin savings piggy bank here. Alright, so that's basically it for me today guys, and I'm sorry about the video again, but thank you for being here. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, and what good.